Hi guys, so now we'll be demonstrating the Zoom call. What you're going to want to do is open up your Zoom application and it will take you to this screen here. So you can go over to the meetings tab up top, and this is where you can copy the invitation link to the meeting that you want to start. And so I'm going to go ahead and copy that to my clipboard, and then I can go to my chat and you'll click this new chat box here. And this is just an easy way to notify the person that you're gonna be chatting with, and then you can go ahead and send the Zoom code to them, and once that goes through you can go ahead and start the meeting. And now once you get to this screen here, you will be able to see that we can admit Carson into the video call. So we'll hit admit. Okay, and now we have Carson in our video call. Hello, Carson.
Hello, how's it going?
Good, how are you?
Oh, school.
School. And now we have our bottom bar, and this will show you how you can mute or stop your video. Here you can see the participants in your video call, and then you can do like a little chat if you'd like. Here you can share your screen with the people in your call. You can choose to record your call if you want to record it for classes or anything like that. You can react to chats and things like that. So, that's all. I hope you enjoyed.